Don't get too worked up about grammar in a case like this. The test scorers don't expect your grammar to be perfect. They don't expect you to have perfect grammar. You're only getting 50 minutes to do this, so they're only expecting about 50 minutes worth of work, which means it should just be a really good first draft, right? They expect it to be enough to convey your point and to convey it well, right? That's what they want. They want you to get organized. The only time grammatical errors become a problem is when your voice becomes informal. So you're writing a formal essay, so make sure your voice is formal. Make sure you're not using any kind of shorthanded abbreviations. I can't tell you how many times I've seen Twitter speak or completely garbled spellings in the essay. And when it starts distracting me from actually reading the essay, that's when I start taking points off. So as long as they don't obstruct your meaning, you're perfectly fine. So if you make a couple of grammatical mistakes or if you have a comma splice in there, it's okay. It's not a huge deal. As long as it's not taking the reader out of reading your essay. So as long as they're able to be focused on your essay, one mistake, not a problem. A couple of mistakes, not an issue. But if every sentence is grammatically incorrect and you don't know what's happening and everything gets left on a cliff, then it's going to be bad, and the author and the reader is not going to be able to follow along with what you're saying, and so your point won't actually get across. The reader is just going to be too distracted to read it. So don't get too worked up about it, but you want to make sure it is enough to ensure that your point is not just pushed to the side and it becomes the primary thing.